Hello, welcome back to part 5 of this long combo that we have been working on. I forgot to introduce the last part of the move, but this is the final sequence that we'll be learning for our long combo. We ended the previous part of the move in this position right here. So I'm grabbing the hoop, my opposite arm is on top, my dominant arm is on the bottom, my palms are both facing behind me. I'm grabbing the hoop right here. Now what we're gonna do is bring the hoop up in front of us. So you're just gonna lift up your arms in front like this. So we're here, lift up. Now we're going to spin over our dominant shoulder. So we're just gonna keep our hands in the position right here. We're just going to spin, and then we're going to bring our arms over to our dominant side right here. We were here, open up to the front, do one full spin. As you are finishing that spin, you're just gonna open your arms to your dominant side. Then from here, we're gonna bring the hoop down in front of us. And as we're doing that, we're just going to bring our opposite leg inside of the hoop like this. Now we're going to bring the hoop over our body and we're going to go into a wedgie from here. So as you're in this position, it's landing on your shoulders like this. You're gonna bring your arms inside of the hoop and you're gonna go into a wedgie. As the hoop is coming down, you're gonna plant your opposite leg down, and then you should be in this position right here. Your dominant leg is going to be lifted up and over like this. Then you're just gonna plant your dominant leg and then lift your opposite leg up and over. So you're gonna go into a wedgie like this. So again, you're in this position right here. We're gonna open up, spin, bring it over to our dominant side. Bring it down in front, bring your opposite leg in, lift it up, and have the hoop land in this position right here. You're gonna bring your arms inside of the hoop. As you're doing this, you're going to plant your opposite leg down, lift up your dominant leg, and go into a wedgie right here. Then from here, we're just going to go into a catch. So as the hoop is approaching your shoulders, you're just gonna bring your hands back and you're gonna catch the hoop by interlocking your arms inside of the hoop like this. If you're unfamiliar with the wedgie, I did a full breakdown of how to get that move down. I will link it up here somewhere. So if you're unsure how to do that, be sure to check out this video right here. Being in the lock position like this really sets you up for this move because you're creating the tension in between your legs. And once you release the tension from your shoulders, that's when you're gonna be really set up to get into that wedgie. So let's break that down one more time. We're in this position right here. Open up, spin over your dominant shoulder, bring the hoop over to your dominant side. Bring it down in front, step in with your opposite leg, lift the hoop up and let it land on your shoulders. Now bring your arms inside of the hoop, and now you're gonna go into a wedgie. You're gonna stomp your opposite leg down, go into a wedgie like this, and then when the hoop is coming back up, you're just gonna swing your arms back and catch the hoop in this position right here. All right, so that was part 5 of this long combo, and the move in its entirety is gonna look something like this. All right, Hoover, so that is the end of the long combo. If any part of that move is confusing, or if you haven't checked out any previous videos, they will all be linked down below. If you need something broken down, please leave a comment so I can help troubleshoot that portion of the move. Again, this is all up to you. Whatever you're feeling, if you want to follow it exactly, or if you want to just take a portion of this move and make it your own, please feel free. It's all about you. It's all about how you feel, all about your flow. If you've liked this series and you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video with a friend. It helps me just grow my channel and so that we can grow the community even bigger together. All right, Hoopers, I hope this helped. I'll see you in the next one. Happy hooping.